Arrive in style with this Buick 2017 LaCrosse Premium I Group. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: sights and sounds package, sun and shade package, 8 speakers, 8-speaker audio system feature, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Bose Centerpoint Premium 11-speaker surround sound, premium audio system, IntelliLink, radio data system and radio, Buick IntelliLink AM/FM stereo. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.